Anterolateral portal view of the right knee shows a meniscal tear, MMPRT type 2. The M-blade needle is inserted through the transition from the anterior to the middle segment of the medial meniscus. The needle is withdrawn from the created posterior medial incision. The needle is inserted through the same incision into the free end of the outer region of the posterior segment of the medial meniscus using an outside-in technique. Insert the M-blade needle into the free end of the posterior segment. Using a grasper, the M-blade needle was retrieved from the anteromedial portal. The anterior tibial cortex is exposed with a shaver and radiofrequency device. Soft tissue medial to the patellar tendon was carefully resected using a shaver to ensure optimal arthroscopic visibility. Additionally, a portion of the tibial cortex anterior to the anterior segment was exposed using a radiofrequency device. The free end of the M-blade is attached to the self-punching all-peak knotless anchor. The free end of the M-blade was attached to a self-punching all-peak knotless anchor and secured to the tibial bone from the anteromedial portal. A simple cinch suture is performed by passing a number 2 strong suture vertically through the meniscal tissue. Two sutures are pulled through the created tunnel using the suture relay technique. Once posterior root attachment was confirmed, a custom posterior root targeting device was positioned in the center of the attachment area. A 2.4 mm guide pin was inserted using the aiming device at a 45 degrees angle to the articular surface, which was followed by over-drilling using a 4 mm cannulated drill. After removing the internal guide pin, 2 sutures were pulled through the cannulated drill using the suture relay technique. In contrast to traditional single cinch sutures, which pose a risk of meniscal tears under high tension, CFA sutures are capable of withstanding high tension without causing damage to the tissue.